5 different flavour sherbets. I've got to eat all 5 of them in one go.
Traffic there.
They're about 8 inches.
They're not even like a third of the way. The blue one's still at the top. Oh, it's coming out your mouth and everything. You've still got the yellow one. You're never gonna do it.
I'm struggling with the orange one.
He's not gonna do it. He's gonna choke to death before he finishes.
Don't choke me. It really ain't worth choking over.
Oh, he's getting there. Look at him.
Getting there.
10 minutes later. Hey! 4 to go. Hey! 3 down. 3 to go. 3 to go. Don't die.
Don't die. You've got keys for the car, right?
Don't do it. You're going to be sick. Stop now.
Stop it.
It's not funny. It's not worth your life just to put this on YouTube. Oh my God, you're going to be sick. You're cleaning the sick up, are you sick?
Why am I cleaning it up?
Because I can't. Well, he's almost having the orange one. Look. Orange one's nearly gone, man. I bet he's wet them all so he can't get them out.
Oh, God.
Oh my God, I thought he was going to be sick then. Please don't be sick. He has. He's blocked them. Oh, the orange one's nearly gone.
The orange one's gone.
Oh,
nice!
Got scared. 2 left. Oh, there's a red one. Go on. Hey!
Oh.
And that